Hi everyone, welcome to Cocktails and Dreams. I'm ZACK, PROHASKA, your host, and in this video I'm going to show you beginners 5 easy beginner level exhibition flair pours to make you look like a rock star behind the bar. Now, exhibition flair usually consists of rotations, okay? I'm going to show you some basic rotations that you can use behind the bar when you're making a drink. These pours will be fast, they will be easy to learn, and they'll be effective. So you want to learn these tricks if you want to make a little bit more money behind the bar. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a like and share with your bartender buddies. These tricks will help them make more money and open opportunity for them. So be a good friend and let your bartender buddies know. Also, follow our Instagram account at CD Bartending. We have 1-minute tutorials there. They're awesome and you'll love watching them. So let me know in the comments below what you want to learn and I'll make a video for you. Okay, so let's get started. Now, before we start pouring, it's very important to understand that with this bottle, you have to have about 2 ounces of alcohol in the bottle. Now, this is only going to work when you have less alcohol in the bottle. If you have more, you will spill. So once you're getting low on your bottle, then you can utilize the rotation and you're not going to worry about spillage, okay? So here we go. I'm going to show you our 5 pours. Our first pour is super easy and I love doing it. It's just a simple roll up the back of your hand. I'm holding the neck of my bottle and I'm rolling it up just like so. I'll show you again. Just rolling it over the back of my hand like that, grabbing the neck, rolling it up, and then I usually go to a pour. Or if I need to grab it from the back bar, I'll grab it by the neck, just roll it up my hand while I'm walking, and add the pour to my glass. So when you're comfortable, it should look like this. Okay, so our second pour looks just like this. Now all I'm doing is I'm grabbing the top of the bottle, the neck of the bottle in a reverse grip like so. So the knuckles are facing my face. I'm swinging my arm around my back of my body, but I'm being gentle the whole time. Slowly releasing the bottle and I'm just going to watch it do a 1 rotation and I'm going to grab the neck of the bottle. I'll show you again. Grabbing the bottle like so, swinging it nice and gentle into a catch. Swinging nice and gentle into a catch. And once I catch it, I'll add my pour. So I'll do it again with a little bit of speed, behind the back, to a catch, and adding that to my glass. Okay, our third pour looks just like this. Now all I'm doing again is I'm holding the neck of the bottle in a standard grip. I'm just snapping my wrist inwards. The base of the bottle is swinging outward. It's going to do a full rotation. My left hand is already waiting for it, and I'm grabbing it by the neck, just across, catching it by the neck. So one more time, I've got it by the neck. I'm just doing a gentle toss into my left hand, and then I'm going to add my pour to my mixing glass. All right, our fourth pour looks like this. All right, so what we're doing is we're holding the neck of the bottle. I'm swinging the bottle inward. It's going to do a full rotation. My left hand is going to be open just like so, and I'm going to catch the neck of the bottle above my glass, so I'm going to go straight into a pour. So we're going to go 1 rotation, catch, pour. I'll show you again. 1 rotation, catch, pour. And lastly, 1 rotation, catch, and pour. All right, and our last pour looks like this. So what we're doing is we have our tin in our left hand and we're just going to do a hand spin. While we're doing the hand spin, we're going to practice doing a 1 rotation catch, but we're catching the bottle upside down and we're going to go right into a pour. So we want to do it at the same time. So it's hand spin, flip, pour. Add that to your glass. Okay, I'll show you again. Hand spin, flip, pour, and add that to your glass. Now this will take a little bit more practice than the others, so take your time, be patient, and don't use it behind the bar unless you're ready. You don't want to kill anyone with a broken bottle, okay? Practice these 5 pours. They're easy to learn and they'll make you look great behind the bar. Just remember, don't do it when you have too much liquid or alcohol in the bottle. You will spill and you do not want to get your guests wet. I promise you, I've done it. It's not a cool experience. So make sure you practice, use it when you're comfortable, have fun, and keep flipping.